6 plus 6 gives us 12, and 3 times 12 gives us 36. So 252 divided by 36 is just 7. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and then finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside these parentheses, we have one addition. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. So according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. So first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 6 plus 6, which equals 12. So 252 divided by 3 times 12. Now we have one division and one multiplication. So we have 252 divided by 3, which equals 84, times 12, which equals 1008. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.